look so boring.
Wait, that reminds me. We have not seen Sophia for a very long time.
Sophia, what's the problem?
My aunt has memory issue.
Oh, that could be bad.
This is the same problem we are suffering in Nigeria. Nowadays, we have many problems that people are dying daily, and it could be because of their organs. So you hear old people die of heart problems, lungs, kidney failure. That is why our app came up with an idea to build an app that could help solve our aunts and many other people who are suffering from more difficult problems. That is when our app came up with an idea to create our org, which simply means organ default detector. After downloading the app on Play Store, you sign in, scan for affected organs, and submit your print.
Okay. This printing, why the thing is scanning, why the app is scanning through your body? This involves that, like maybe why the app is processing through your body. It means that maybe if you're likely gonna be having any issue, let's say for instance your heart, app is gonna detect that maybe when it gets to the app side, it will keep on alerting error, meaning that you're likely gonna be developing some heart issues, and then the next thing you see is visit the doctor for help and for more information.
I will show you the nutrition, the care and the solution to the problem.
Talking about the cause, this could be from family heritage, too much stress, not taking appropriate food.
Nutrition. First, nutrition could be adequate nutrition and regular exercise.
Care can be stay active, eat healthy, and manage stress.
Our app also helps to show what your body is not. Our app also helps to show what your body is not familiar with. Maybe there'll be a particular soap your skin is using, and that's the content of the soap is not good for your body. The app will tell you that substance in the soap that is not good for your body.
Our target market is in the one medical sector. Now by that way, we'll be able to make the doctor's work easier and more accurate.
In order to sustain our app, we should be encouraging the young ones and educating them on the use of our app even after our graduation.
And we are
The Massan Girls.